Namaste and a warm welcome to all of you. I'm Manisha Sandeep, founder of Dust Temple. Well, the topics that I'm choosing in my videos are the topics that have made a huge difference in my life. Throughout my journey in life, whatever I have read or heard the different masters, but they have made a lot of difference in my life and shifted my life to a different level. I really pay my gratitude to all the people who have made such huge difference in my life, to all the masters, to all the readings. I mean the people who have written such beautiful things, which is what I want to share with all of you through my videos. I hope you like it. Today I am speaking on the topic faith. Well, faith is one of the most powerful forces available to us as humans, as the realization our divine source of which we are all expressions. The opposite of faith is doubt. Doubt too is very powerful, but highly negative and destructive emotion related to fear and apprehensions that effectively blocks or retards the creative expressive potential by directly opposing the faith. Alas, many people still, due to the conditioning of or the programming and control, find it much easier to embrace fear, apprehension and doubt instead of trusting their inner guidance, which means having faith. If only those people would reject fear and doubt to instead embrace faith with feelings, emotion and passion, then their lives would change beyond imagination to that of joy, bliss, freedom, and one of infinite potential. Faith is the energy, the power behind expressing everything, and everything is ultimately being love. God or Source experiences through us as love. The greatest treasures we have when we pass from this earth is not all that material things gathered during a lifetime, but rather everything we actually gave, and most importantly of ourselves, our love. Give and receive love, service to others before self. Love is the greatest virtue that we all are blessed with. Share your love unconditionally and see to it, experience it coming back to you in buckets and buckets of love to you. Being blessed with love is the most treasured experience that a human being can have. I hope this small video, these small words make a difference and shift in your life, bringing joy to all of you. If you like my videos and the small topics that I choose, please press the button like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you and love you all. Bless you all.